Oh, let's go potty. For this vlog, we'll make sure na Panda, not for you. Roll over. Roll over. Hindi nang madungis. Good morning!
Hello!
So we're still about 3 hours away from Baguio, but we're making our first stop over for coffee and of course Panda's potty break. Good morning, Panda! Good morning, Panda! Hello? Uy! Say good morning! Ay.
Vanilla latte sa'yo, hot. Isang hot vanilla latte.
Size po? Oh! Let's go potty! Wiwi ka na. Hindi ka pa nagwiwiwi.
Tambay siya. Tayo.
Panda's paws para hindi siya magkasakit. Baka magkasakit siya. Hindi natin alam. Panda, come here.
Panda, go there. Go there.
Good boy. Excuse me. Excuse me po. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hugas ako kamay?
Saan?
Sa CR.
Okay.
Tagalin natin ito para relax siya. Diba, Panda? Okay, good boy. Come here. Coffee time! So I got iced vanilla. It's not iced. It's hot vanilla latte. Since it's just morning, we'll have hot coffee. And time to load up our RFID. Cheers. Ho ho ho. Are you also collecting stickers? Are you still collecting stickers from Starbucks? Because I have I only have 4 stickers in here. Kasi hindi naman ako interesado. Kasi tataba lang ako. Sa Starbucks ako lagi.
Ganun ba yun?
Oo. Unfortunately. Tapos, anong in-order natin? Ham and cheese. Ham and cheese. Kineso.
Sino yung nagsasabi ng kineso?
Si K. Brosas. Nakilig magsabi ng kineso. We ordered ham and cheese. Kineso. Let's see. Yes. Delicious. By the way, I'm vlogging with the Insta360 Ace Pro. We're testing this camera out, and it's an early Christmas gift from my husband.
May challenge. Anong challenge? Anong challenge mo? Ano yung challenge ko sa'yo?
But he's challenging me to vlog more kapalit nitong bagong camera. So please like and subscribe if you want me to do more vlogs like this. Thank you. Ubus ko na. Sorry.
Yan. Kinento mo ba sa kanila?
Hindi. Kukwento ko ba? Siya naka-intermittent fasting kami. So, eating window namin is 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. lang. So, for this trip, maybe we'll still try to follow the schedule. And for this vlog, we'll make sure na all the places we go to are all pet friendly. Kasi kasama namin yung anak namin, si Panda. Okay? So, see you in Baguio.
Let's go.
Come here. Here. Bawal ka dito. Ay, nako. Ay. Hi po. Wow.
Oh, Panda. Careful dyan. Dami pala sila rooms.
Ano tayo? D11. Ooh. May fireplace. Okay.
Ay, hindi tayo nakapagdala ng ano. Chromecast.
May laptop naman ako. Ipin mo si Panda. Silip dito, Panda. Dito. Wow. Wow. Diyan ka magpupupo. Finally, we're here in our Airbnb and the weather is very nice. It's 21 degrees Celsius. Saktong aircon lang. The most important thing about this place is it's pet friendly. Okay, so we booked this for 3 nights and that cost 7,000 plus with the pet fee. I think it's 500 pesos.
I'm not sure.
Parang nabasa ko, 500, pero I'll double check. Also, we booked this one kasi it's near Session Road. This is on Legarda Road. I'll give you a quick Airbnb tour, okay? Okay, so ito na yung Airbnb tour. Dito sa right, muna yung CR, yung bathroom. Looks clean. And there's bidet. That's me. Oh, akala ko may light. Oh, there you go.
Opo. Double
Bed.
side.
Double size bed. Panda baba. Down, please. Down. Good boy. Double size bed lang siya. I know kasi yung bed namin queen size lang. So it's a little bit smaller. Tapos, here is the study area. Pag magsa-study ka. And there's a mirror. Mirror for prepping makeup and things like that. And you can hang your clothes here. And then over here is the extra table for sitting. Maybe if you want to drink coffee in the morning. And then, ano ba ba? Tapos, yung view is a garden. Oh, Panda, di ba? Diyan ka magpupupo. Bukas or mamaya. Okay, it's nice, di ba? Also, over here is the refrigerator. Kapag meron kaming takeout siguro, we can put things here. My kettle, mugs, free bottled water. Thank you. And a television. Sana may Netflix. There's Netflix. Good job. Under the television is another desk for your things. There's a garbage can, trash can.
Wait.
Panda! What are you doing? Ay, naku.
Madumi mo na.
Madumi na yung paa mo lalo. Bad. Panda, what did you do? Ang galing ni Panda, oh.
Pumunta sa
Dumihan
fireplace.
ako.
Uling lang naman
It's done?
Yes.
Okay. I am famished. Famished? Panda? Are you hungry also? Kain ka na mamaya. Good boy naman. Pagod siya. Same. Okay, so pupunta na tayo sa ating first pet-friendly restaurant. And we'll take you there. What's so nice about Baguio is you don't need aircon. So we get to enjoy the breeze in the car.
Yep.
We're here sa Mario's. Hello, kuya. Good afternoon. Kuya, pwede po aso? Sa labas or al fresco po? Diyan? Thank you.
Mas maganda dun sa veranda mo.
Sige po. Thank you. Panda! Lumipat kami dito sa veranda because doon medyo malamok. Baka lamukin si Panda. Nicer view pa dito. Panda. Panda.
Papabayin ko ba siya?
Yung water nito. Oh, this here. Can you see it? Can you see it clearly? It's lengua and fresh lumpia. Panda, not for you. Stay lang. Good boy. You just need rice.
Okay, sige.
Thank you.
Tatakam siya.
Oh. Fresh lumpia.
Lamig. Lamig pala sa Baguio, no? Nice. Is it nice?
Sarap. My kind of fresh lumpia.
Okay.
Tsaka fresh yung gulay. Baka dahil nasa Baguio tayo.
Galing Baguio.
Sarap.
Yeah.
If you come here, order the fresh lumpia. Sabi niyo, sabi ko. Next, let's try the lengua. What's lengua? Tongue of ox.
Basta dila. Dila lang ba? Siguro.
But you don't think about it.
Mashed potatoes. Mashed potato. Ako mag-mashed potato.
Let's taste the lengua. I need sauce. Sauce. Sobrang lambot.
Sarap na mashed potato.
Okay. Mashed potato. Creamy, buttery. So good. What's this?
Saging.
Saging na saba? Na may tomatoes.
Hello. Love lengua.
What's your favorite?
Yeah.
Lengua with lengua with mushroom.
Favorite yan sa mahandaan. Ang may kasal, binyag.
There's also some eggplant on the side. We are done with our dinner and it's time for dessert. This is a slice of key lime cake and I ordered another slice of mango San Trival. Looks good.
Sense revival.
I'll taste the key lime first for you, and I'll tell you if it's any good. Asim with sweetness. It's not that sweet because of the I don't know what this is, but the hard part. Ano to? So ito hard, and then cheesecake layer, no? Cream and lime.
Sarap.
It's good.
I like it.
Next, who could go wrong with a mango cake? Mango sans rival. Did you hear that crunch again? There's a crunch because of the sans rival. It's like mango bene ng Mary Grace ba? Basta yun.
Mango bene ata sa Salamina at saka sa Mary Grace. Pag sa Contis, mango bravo.
Yun. What he said. Mas bet ko yung key lime cake. Ikaw ba? And that's it for our first pet-friendly cafe. So Mario's restaurant is located here on Loacan Road. It's near Legarda Road where our Airbnb is. Basta, lagi ko na lang yung address dito.
Yun na lang.
So, for me,
Lumpia. Masarap mo yun.
fresh lumpia is really good. The lengua as well. And sa cake, key lime cake is really good. Naman po ay napakabait. Panda, here other dogs. Panda, pansinin mo naman ako.
Napakabait.
Panda, dinamitan ko siya kasi malamig. Panda, look at mommy. Hello? Okay, let's check the bill. Let's check if it's worth the price. Okay. Lengua, 750 pesos. Lumpiang sariwa, 195 pesos. Key lime, 150 pesos. Mango, sans rival, 260 pesos. Total, with VAT and service charge, that would be 1,475.98. Okay, thank you, Mario's. Okay, we're home. Okay, so we need to clean Panda up. Okay. First, remove his shirt and harness. Panda, ano? Malikot yan. And the diaper. Ew. To clean him up, we need wipes and soap. No rinse, soap. Muta first, remove his eye boogers or gunk, and then wipe his dirty mouth because he sniffs a lot of stuff outside.
Stay lang.
Yeah. Like this. Okay. And then I put it on his paws. Swirl it around like that. Then wipe it again with wipes. Last one.
Panda. Naka-look away.
And then waterless shampoo. Ay, sorry. Sorry naman. Sorry. Si Panda, tumatabi sa amin mag-sleep. Most
Kailan?
of the time. So, dapat super duper linis niya. Time to eat dinner! Okay. Panda, eat ka na. Saan yung eating station mo? Water. Panda gets a treat for being a good boy. Oh, po muna, po. No, sit first. Sit. Po. Other po. Sit. Down. Spin. Roll over. Roll over. Good boy.
That's yung crawl.
Sit pretty.
Crawl.
Ayan. You happy? Happy with your breakfast? Good morning! It's day 2 in Baguio. So another day means another pet-friendly restaurant for us to find out. Ayun, tapos magka-Camp John Hay kami to go hiking with Panda. Panda, are you ready? Are you ready to go out? Outside? Let's go outside. Let's go. Let's go.
I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes! Magsushoes muna si Panda.
There's a dog,
Hi,
Panda.
dog. Hi, doggy. Cute mo naman. Pascal ka ba?
May lahing husky no? May mask.
Friend Panda, oh. Friend.
Walang Gcash.
Yay!
Ay, Gcash kayo, boss? Mga magano.
Hindi ka talaga. Kinuha ng babae.
Okay, so we're inside Chocolate de Baterol finally. When we arrived, pang-apat kami sa pila. It's like 10 minutes. Okay, so we're just waiting for our order. Panda is just chilling. The weather today is kind of nice. Akala ko it's going to rain. So maybe makakapag-hike kami. Boy naman yan. Panda, anong order mo? Panda,
Walang orders.
anong order mo? Isang chocolate? No, no, no.
Bawal chocolate yan. Do you want to die?
Mocha.
Mocha ba?
Avocado. Let's taste it.
Panda.
May bits pa ng tsokolate. Creamy, chocolatey. the butteroli. What can you say?
Masarap. Mas champurado na
Yeah.
medyo mapait-pait na konti.
Kasi chocolate talaga.
As in natural chocolate.
This is the mocha butterol. So may caffeine. Mas masarap.
Mas masarap.
Kasi may kape. I love coffee. Mura pa yun. Bilis ng serving dito. Order cheese bibingka. Kain na bang? Okay, let's eat. And naman daing na bangus with fried rice and egg and fried banana. Walang suka?
Baka hindi uso suka dito.
Okay. Sarap. Di na kailangan ng suka.
Bakit?
Na may timpla na siya. May asim na siya. Sarap.
Kaya naman pala.
I love it.
The perfect bite.
Si Chef RB. 5 out of 5 for the dining box. Let's eat naman some fried bananas. My dad cooks something like this. In Bicol, this is called sinapot. Pero sinapot kasi pinagsama-sama sa
Ang gano'n.
nakakumpol sa banana leaf or something. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, let's check the bill. Traditional blend, 210 pesos. Cafe mocha butterol, 210 pesos. Boneless daing. Okay, boneless daing na bangus, 350. Cheese bibingka, 250 pesos. With VAT and service charge, 1,083 pesos and 75 centavos. Not bad. Sulit. Yung cheese bibingka, take out. Mahina kami kumain. Mahina? Hindi naman. Madali lang mabusog. My thoughts about the food is, first, yung cheese bibingka is not my favorite. It's not that it's not good at all. Masarap siya. It's cheesy, sweet at the same time, no? Pero, it's kinda dry. Pero, dry ba talaga yung bibingka?
Depende sa kasi bibingka malagkit eh. Siya hindi siya masyado malagkit.
Ayun, yung parang yun ate in-expect ko, yung lagkit. Tapos may aftertaste ng dahon, which makes it organic. And then yung favorite ko dito sa in-order namin is yung daing na bangus. Yung chocolate de butterol naman, it's just too thick. Pero it's very delicious and creamy. Yun nga lang, since it's very thick, hindi mo siya mauubos ng isang upuan. So, tinake out namin. Yun lang. So, for me, and for Panda, I think, when it comes to its pet friendliness, it's 5 out of 5 naman. Pero ang final rating is 4 out of 5. Also, may I just add na marami sa menu nila ang unavailable. Like, for example, yung turon de langka na nakikita ko sa reviews. Gusto kong i-try pero it's not available. Also, yung tapa nila, it's not also available. I think it's one of their best sellers as well. Na? Hello? Ba't tayo umiiyak? Umiiyak siya kasi na-excite na naman siya bumaba. Sana next time, available na sila. Is this the place? And is it free? Let's find out. Let's go on a hike ng naka-shoulder bag. Pwede pa magtanong.
Saan yung trail dito? Ay, di na. Sa taas na. Okay, thank you.
Ay, okay.
Wala na.
Wala na daw to.
Hindi na daw nag-operate ng trail na.
Oh, wink wink. So, hindi ito yung place. Sorry for the misinformation. Found a trail finally. Sinong madungis? Si Panda. Panda, stay. Panda, smile. He is smiling. Okay, good boy. Wow, for the picture. For our thumbnail, stay. Dugyot. Sinong dugyot? Sino ang pipiliin niya? Mommy or daddy? Go! Go! Panda, come here. Ready, set, go!
Bonk!
Both so good. Char. So we found another pet-friendly restaurant. Ito favorite ko talaga. What the Hindi kaya ng powers ko. And that's because we transferred